How's it going, y'all? Today we have a 2022 Volkswagen Taos with 66,000 miles. I've only seen a couple of these a few times. I really don't know the performance on it, but as far as the look, it's a compact SUV. Pretty affordable, nothing fancy. We gotta look at the interior. We got a leather on suede, black on blue. It does have a panoramic roof. My bad, Sauce. I know I just started the video right in the middle of it. You know me, trying to stay dedicated. Checking everything. Don't get me wrong, the new cameras are good for it, but like I said, it's your phone, so do you really want to have all of that on your phone? Unless you order like an external hard drive you can transfer it to. So making sure the seat belts are buckling properly. See that there has like a little compartment to reach into the rear. I'm pretty sure this drops down. I mean, I like the seats. The seats are not bad. Go ahead and check the tires. Tires look fairly new. We got about 930 seconds in the rear and about 930 seconds in the front. So the tires are new, so I might just recommend a tire balance and alignment just to make sure get proper wear on the tires. Check these tail lights. It has some damage here in the quarter of the rear bumper, or you can see the left side of the rear bumper, so that's gonna have to go to the body shop and get touched up. Assuming the door is locked. Go ahead and unlock the lift gate. That sugar. Go ahead and take a look at the rear. Oh, it was a little stuck. It probably haven't been opened in a while. I already know, Sauce. I'm listening, though. Absolutely. So we have a spare tire. Looking for the tools. We're missing the jack, so I'm gonna write in the paperwork that the spare tool jack is missing, but other than that, it has the spare, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna head and order the spare tool kit to go with it. There's also some damage up here in the left front bumper, so we're gonna also put that into the paperwork. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Pop the hood and let y'all see the motor, and then I'll sit inside the vehicle so y'all can see the dash. That beep is so annoying. Yo, front look of the vehicle. I already have. 4-cylinder. Four-cylinder turbo. Like I said, nothing fancy. It's like your compact economy SUV from Volkswagen. The motor is a 1.5 liter. I'm gonna check the air filters and the cabin filter and the oil. Get it in the shop for an oil change. The brakes, they look pretty decent, but I'm gonna go grab my flashlight and then take a look at these brakes. I'll be right back. So we got the flashlight, and now we're gonna go ahead and check these brakes. So the rear brakes, they look pretty good, but you know what? The inner pads look a little low. Pretty sure you can't see what I see, but I'm gonna recommend rear brake pads on this because it is pretty low. Sure it is. Okay, front brakes are good, so we're just gonna go ahead with tire balance and alignment, rear brake service, get it to the body shop to repair these front and rear bumpers. Gonna ahead and do the wipers and the air filters. Let y'all get a look at the dash. Hopefully there's no glare in the camera and y'all can see it good. Checking the radio. The interface is nice, pretty simple, straight to it, no GPS. It does have heated seats. It's not the armrest. Does have a panoramic roof. That's pretty nice. Panoramic roof, can't go wrong with it. Give you that full view of the sky, lights up the car with good lighting. I'm also gonna write up this side view mirror. For some reason this side view mirror is not moving from the switch. I'm trying to, oh, there we go, now it's moving. I guess it was seized up. Sometimes when you get into these cars, when you get these cars, sometimes the switch or the mirror or the motor begins to act up from it not being used. So it works, but it's like it's malfunctioning in a way. So I'm gonna write that up too for a new motor for the side view mirror. So alright y'all, I'm gonna take the car on a nice little test drive, make sure everything else is good, the suspension, tire vibration, brake pulsation, and go ahead and get it into the shop for repair. So alright y'all, have a good one.